In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set out-of-office replies in Microsoft Outlook. If you're stepping away for a vacation, a conference, or simply need uninterrupted focus time, setting an automatic reply ensures anyone who emails you knows what to expect. It's quick to set up and can save a lot of back and forth. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Once it's open, look to the top left and click File. This takes you to the Account and Settings area, where you'll find what you need. Select Automatic Replies, sometimes labeled Out of Office, to open the Automatic Replies window. Here, choose Send Automatic Replies. This switch turns on your out-of-office response, so Outlook can handle messages for you while you're away. If you already know exactly when you'll be out, check the option that says Only Send During This Time Range. Then set your start and end dates and times. This is helpful because Outlook will begin and stop sending replies automatically, so you don't have to remember to come back and turn it off. Next, you'll see two message boxes, one for inside my organization and another for outside my organization. Use the inside my organization message for coworkers. Keep it friendly and informative. A clear internal message might include your away dates, whether you'll be checking email, expected response times, and who to contact in your absence. For example, you could write, "Thanks for your message. I'm out of the office from date to date, and will have limited access to email. For urgent matters, please contact my team. I'll respond as soon as I can when I return." Then, write your outside my organization message for people outside your company. Keep this one brief and professional without internal details or sensitive information. For example, "Thank you for your email. I'm away from date to date and will respond upon my return. If your matter is urgent, please reach out to our main office." Using different messages for coworkers and external contacts helps you share the right level of detail with the right audience. Internally, you can be more specific. Externally, keep it concise and secure. When you're happy with both messages and any time range you set, click OK. Outlook will take care of the rest and reply on your behalf during your specified period. If your plans change, simply return to the same place to update or turn off the automatic replies. That's it.